Good morning, fam. Picture this. You've just woken up and your body is craving a gentle wake-up call. This 5-minute morning routine is your secret weapon to feel refreshed, energized, and ready to conquer the day. We'll activate your core, stretch out your back, and wake up your legs, setting the tone for a powerful start. Let's go! Let's begin with Birot, the first step toward building stability for the day ahead. On all fours, with your wrists under your shoulders and knees under your hips. Extend your right arm forward as if you're reaching for something important. And at the same time, stretch your left leg back. Inhale deeply as you lengthen. And exhale as you bring your elbow and knee together under your body. Keep this up for 45 seconds, feeling each controlled movement activate your core and wake up your back muscles. This exercise is like planting your feet firmly on the ground before a busy day. Steady, stable, and ready. Now let's switch sides, because balance is everything. Extend your left arm forward and your right leg back, breathing in energy and exhaling any tension. Imagine stretching into the day ahead, with each movement pulling you closer to feeling grounded and centered. Continue for 45 seconds, focusing on keeping your core engaged. You're building strength from the inside out, preparing your body to move with purpose and poise. Next, a flow from downward dog into cobra stretch. The perfect combination to stretch your legs, back, and chest. In downward dog, press your hips high toward the sky, creating space along your spine. Picture yourself shaking off the sleep and stretching out the possibilities of the day. Then glide forward into cobra, lowering your hips to the mat and lifting your chest up proudly. Inhale deeply, opening your chest to all the opportunities ahead, and exhale as you push back into downward dog. Flow through this for 1 minute, letting your breath guide the movement as your body wakes up and feels energized. Step into your power with Warrior 1. Plant your right foot forward, bend your knee, and straighten your back leg. Interlace your fingers behind your back and lift your arms as you inhale deeply, expanding your chest and shoulders like you're drawing in strength from the air around you. Hold for 30 seconds, feeling grounded in your legs and open in your chest. This is more than a stretch. It's a stance that prepares you for the challenges of the day, strengthening your legs and opening your heart to new possibilities. Now, switch sides. Step your left foot forward, bend your knee, and straighten your back leg. Once again, interlace your fingers behind your back and lift your arms, feeling the stretch across your chest. Hold for 30 seconds, breathing deeply and feeling your legs support you. With every breath, you're building strength, flexibility, and focus, preparing your body and mind for whatever the day brings. Great job, fam. In just 5 minutes, you've activated your core, opened up your chest, and strengthened out your legs, setting yourself up for a strong and energized day. But why stop here? Now that you've warmed up, it's a perfect time to turn up the heat. Head over to my workout video and take this energy to the next level. Whether you're looking to build strength, break a sweat, or boost your endurance, I've got the perfect workout for you. Let's keep this momentum going and crush it together. See you there.